As someone who cooks for a living, I know cutting your vegetables evenly makes a huge difference in how your meals turn out. That's why you're going to love the Rapid Prep Mandoline. It's a fast, simple, and safe way to prep your veggies. This mandoline helps you create a variety of different cuts. Whether you're making French fries, julienne carrots, sliced zucchini, or cucumbers, this will give you perfect results in seconds. Here's how it works. The mandoline has two knobs on the back. The top knob has easy to read symbols to help you select between 3 different settings: slice, fry cut, or julienne. The bottom knob allows you to select the thickness. 1 is the thinnest setting and 8 is the thickest, giving you lots of options and control. The extra long container collects everything as it gets cut. Plus, it helps keep the legs locked in place. The sliding door covers the blades when you're not using it. The extra long food chute is large enough to fit a whole potato, and more importantly, it keeps your hands away from the blades while you're cutting. See, unlike a traditional mandoline where you move the food and your hands over the blade, the green plunger moves the blade over the food instead, so it's safe and worry-free. So let's see it in action. First, I'll make some French fries. I'm using the fry cut setting and the number 8 thickness. Just put the potato in the hopper, use the food pusher, and so fast, right? I mean, it takes longer to peel the potato than it does to cut it. Perfect French fries every time. Okay, now let's do some carrots. I'm gonna set it to julienne on the number 4 thickness. These are great for salads or stir fries. To go along with my carrots, I can slice some cucumber, radishes, maybe a little red onion. Now I've got a huge salad in seconds. Here's another great tip. To make diced sweet potato, I'll first cut them on the fry cut setting. Then I'll put them back in the hopper and run through it again. Once you're done slicing and dicing, the Rapid Prep Mandoline is simple to clean. It comes with a dual-sided cleaning brush for any pieces of food that are stuck inside. And the best part is that everything, the food bin, hopper, pusher, and the mandoline are all dishwasher safe. Once everything's clean, it's so compact and easy to store. The plunger locks in place, the legs fold up, and the hopper fits inside the container. And the mandoline snaps in place. The Rapid Prep Mandoline is one of those tools that you will find a reason to use every single day. You're gonna love it.